breaking news tonight from the Middle East. Tensions between Iran and Israel are escalating rapidly, and military experts are warning that this conflict could pull the United States into a much larger war. So the big question everyone is asking right now is this: could the Iran-Israel conflict turn into a wider regional war? The Middle East is once again facing a dangerous moment. Tensions between Iran and Israel are rising rapidly, and the possibility of a larger regional war is becoming a serious concern for world leaders. Over the past several days, reports of missile launches, drone strikes, and military alerts have increased across the region. Both sides are accusing each other of escalating the conflict. Israel has repeatedly warned that it will not allow Iran to develop nuclear weapons. Iran, however, says its nuclear program is peaceful and meant only for civilian energy. These disagreements have been building for years, but recent events have pushed the situation closer to open conflict. One major concern is how the United States might respond. The United States has been a strong ally of Israel for decades. American military forces and naval fleets are already stationed throughout the Middle East. If the conflict grows, Washington could face pressure to support Israel more directly. At the same time, Iran has significant military capabilities. The country has developed thousands of missiles and drones, many of which are capable of reaching targets across the region. Iran also has strong influence through allied groups in several Middle Eastern countries. Military experts warn that even a limited conflict could quickly expand. Another critical factor is the global economy. The Strait of Hormuz, located near Iran, is one of the most important oil shipping routes in the world. Nearly 1/5 of the world's oil supply passes through this narrow waterway. If tensions escalate and shipping is disrupted, energy prices around the world could rise sharply. That could affect everything from gasoline prices to global trade. Because of these risks, many international leaders are calling for diplomacy and restraint. The United Nations and several governments are urging both sides to avoid actions that could trigger a larger war. For now, the situation remains tense and unpredictable. The big question is whether this conflict will remain limited, or whether it could grow into something much bigger. As events continue to unfold, the world is watching the Middle East very closely. What do you think will happen next in the Iran-Israel conflict? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy global news and military analysis like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Fahim's Eagle Arsenal for more updates.